Jain student, today we are going to discuss the movement along a demand curve or change in quantity demanded. Means movement along a demand curve refer to moving up and down the demand curve. When we move down the curve, it situation extensions of demand. Buying more in response to decrease in own price of the commodity. Means जब हम मूव डाउनवर्ड कर्व की तरफ करते हैं, इट इज़ अ सिचुएशन ऑफ एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डिमांड की सिचुएशन होती है जहाँ बाइंग रिस्पॉन्स ज़्यादा होता है कंपेयर टू द डिक्रीज इन ओन प्राइस ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. And when we move up to the curve, it is situation of constructions of demand, buying less in response to increase in own price of the commodity. The movement along demand curve referred to extension or constructions of demand curve. From the figure 3.5, other thing being equal, if the quantity demanded increase or decrease due to fall or rise in the price of commodity alone, it is known as movement along a demand curve, change in quantity demanded. Means अदर थिंग बीइंग इक्वल और क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इंक्रीज, जो क्वांटिटी डिमांड है इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज करता है क्योंकि फॉल एंड राइज इन द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी अलोन, अकेले ही. इट इज़ नोन एज मूवमेंट अलोंग अ डिमांड कर्व और चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड. हियर द मूवमेंट इज आइदर डाउनवर्ड और अपवर्ड अलोंग द सेम डिमांड कर्व. तो चेंज इन क्वांटिटी अकर ड्यू टू चेंज ओनली इन द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी itself, and when downward movement along with demand curve is called expansions of demand, and while upward movement are construction in demand. So what is expansion in demand? Reason: fall in price of the commodity. From the following figure, initially at price P0, quantity demanded was Q0. With the fall in the price from P0 to P1, the quantity demanded rise from Q0 to Q1. This rise is known as expansions in demand. From the schedule, you can see that price of good X are given 10, 9, 8, 7, and the corresponding quantity demanded of X also given. When price is 10, the quantity demanded of good X is 100. When price is fall 1 rupees at 9, the quantity demanded is 110. Then 8, 125, 7, 140, like that. Next, construction in demand, rise in price of the commodity. Means initially the price is at P0 and quantity demanded by Q0. When the rise in the price from P0 to P1, the quantity demanded fall from Q0 to Q1. This fall known as constructions of demand. Here from the schedule you can understand that price of good X are given 10 and the quantity demanded is 100. When price is increased rupees 1, that is 11, the quantity demanded is 90. Like that, when price is 12, 13, the quantity demanded is 80 and 17. This show the difference between the extensions and constructions of demand. So movement along a demand curve, there are, and shift in demand curve, there are two types. You can see the extension of demand curve move downward movement along the demand curve, and construction of demand move upward movement along a demand curve. Thank you.